Hey guys, this is Dereck over at Tactical Gear Lines. Today, I want to show all of you PS90 owners and users how to use our harness system and install it on your rifle. So the first thing I want to do is I want to introduce you to our harness. When it comes to you, it'll most likely show up in a bag. It'll be small like this. What you need to do is open it up all the way. I'm going to show you all the different features to it. So you've got two loops on either end, and then you're going to have Velcro on the two opposite ends or corners, and then you have a male and female buckle, and that is so when we wrap this harness around the PS90, you can actually wear it as a single point. So with that being said, the first thing you want to do is make sure the rifle is facing you, and then you're going to take your harness system and just drape it right over the top, just like this. You're going to notice that the buckle system is pointing towards the butt of your rifle. Take the Velcro that you took off when you took it out of the package and put it right through your fabric slot that's here at the rear of the rifle. And just pull it through. Where your grip is at, you're going to take the other side of the Velcro and wrap it around and then flip the rifle over. You'll notice that there are corresponding loops right where the Velcro straps are. And so you're just going to pull them tight on either side, and sometimes occasionally this will happen, so just adjust it accordingly. Pull them through the loops, wrap them around, and you can pull them as tight as you want. You're going to have a little bit of give on either side here depending on how tight you want to do it, but each one of these harnesses are fitted before they leave the factory when we make them. And so that is how the harness sits, and if you come up close, you can see it'll actually suspend and hold the rifle in a single point position. Now I'm going to show you how it integrates with our sling here at Tactical Gear Lines. So we have an actual individual video on our website. On the actual sling page, it'll show you the transition with the sling itself. But when it pertains to the PS90, we actually have a separate tutorial for you guys. The first thing you want to do is the rear of the sling is a fabric loop. And so what you want to do is now feed it through the harness system that's on your PS90 harness. And you'll notice that it all works together. Now you're going to take in the front of your sling, there's an HK style hook. And what you're going to do is you're simply going to connect it to the D-ring that's in the back of the sling. So it connects to itself, and that is your single point loop. Now all you have to do is, with the sling in hand, you want to make sure the shock cord that's here is in the webbing of your hand here. And you're simply going to create a window with your elbow, put it around your head, and now your PS90 can sit on your body in single point. What's nice about this whole setup is, even though you're in a single point mode here, if you have any kind of rail attachments that are in the front of your rifle, your sling can always come off and clip into the attachment that's in the front, and now you can turn it into 2-point, which will allow you to secure it in the front and the back. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We really appreciate your time today. It's Dereck over at Tactical Gear Lines, and that was the PS90 and the single point sling.